Hello everyone, I am getting ready to make my husband's traditional southern deviled egg recipe. It needs 7 hard-boiled eggs. I haven't peeled them yet. Miracle Whip, mustard, this is his favorite, sweet and spicy mustard. That's what makes this recipe the best. Sweet relish, smoked paprika, and salt and pepper. So first thing is I'm going to peel these, and it is important to do 7. That's just following the recipe exactly. I don't know why we have 7, but he's been doing that this way forever. Before we add the 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 1½ tablespoons of pickle relish, 1 teaspoon mustard, and the salt and pepper, we're gonna this is the yolk of the 7 eggs. We're just gonna squish them down until they're very, very fine powder. So we have the 1/4 cup mayo, 1.5 tablespoons of relish, salt and pepper to taste, and the teaspoon of mustard. And now we're gonna mix it until it's really smooth. So we like it smooth. We don't want a clumpy filling. All right, we just did a taste test. We're adding a little more salt. You have to do a taste test because like Robert was reminding me, like all eggs sizes are different. Like the amount of yolk you get is different. So you definitely need to taste test it and add a little more mayo if you like. I think this is perfect. And so we're just gonna like plop it in with a spoon. We're not piping it because it's just me and my husband, but if we were taking this to a party, we would pipe in the filling to make it look pretty, but just me and him, so not necessary. As usual, we have the cat supervision. You're not getting any eggs. Sorry guys, these are my favorite. Just sprinkled a little paprika on, and that's pretty simple old recipe that my husband's had forever, but oldie but goodie. I wouldn't change a thing. It's my favorite. I know there's like a bajillion recipes out there for deviled eggs, but this one, I've had a lot of deviled eggs in my life. This one is my absolute favorite. So good.